Gentlemen, this is your first hop. The jets you are flying against are smaller, faster, and more maneuverable. Just like the enemy MiGs. The clock is ticking, and as of now, we are keeping score.
Alright, talk to me, Goose. He's still back there. He's closing in on us. He's closing fast.
You can run, kid, but you can't hide.
Jester, see if I can give you a run for your money here. Watch the mountains! I still got him. He's still back there. Come on, man. Do some of that pilot shit. Yeah, I got him.
I've had about enough of this shit. When you hit the brakes, he'll fly right by.
Okay, you're mine.
Woo!
Jesus Christ.
Woo! Let's see what you got now, Jester.
Okay, man, let's turn and burn.
Going vertical, so am I.
We're going ballistic, man! Go get him! He's going for the hard deck. Let's get down there first and nail him, man.
No way, Jester. You're mine.
Jester's dead. Jester's dead. Yeehaw!
Get your butts above the hard deck and return to base immediately.
Yes, sir.
Tower, this is Ghost Rider requesting a flyby.
Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full.